this piece right here is stationary. It will never move from here. It's locked into the ground. And then everything out here can move around the yard. So I got a 4-foot section. The next part will move 4 foot out this way to new grass. And that'll create 8 feet right here. So I'll take this section out, put the section I'm working on in. So that'll be 8 foot. And then I'll add this section to the 8-foot section once this box is ready to move 4 foot more that way. And I'll just do it every couple days so they don't kill it off too much. Because this has been here, I moved this yesterday, I think. You can tell they're already starting to scratch it up. If you left it right there, they would eventually just kill all the grass. So if you move it every couple days, it'll give the grass a chance to grow back. And I don't know how far out I'm gonna go. And then I might go sideways with it too. This thing can be stored out of the way. Just sticking it on there. And then the next couple days I'll move that right there and add that 4-foot section right there and extend it out. But it should keep them safe during the day, keep the chicken hawks away from them. So we've lost some chicken hawks when they're out here just free ranging. And one of the main things is to keep them where I want them. Because if not, they'll go over there and got a blueberry patch over there that I mulch. They'll just get in there and tear it all up. Got mulch around the pool. They get into areas where you don't want them and they'll tear it up. But this way to keep them safe, keep them where I want them, and they have access to fresh grass. It's better than just being stuck in their little building. Now, I did make one years ago just out of this welded wire. It's thinner stuff, it's like a 1/16 of an inch thick. And it just pulled up to all the moving around, get caught in the grass, just deformed. So trying this cattle panel, and then this stuff just wraps over it, and nothing can get through there that would want to hurt them. And it should last for a little while at least. It seems like it's pretty strong stuff. It's galvanized. Got another fresh section. That's about 2 days worth right there with that thing set. So they don't tear it up too much. But now they got fresh clover, which they really seem to enjoy. Uh-oh. The little rooster. We're not allowed to have roosters in our subdivision, so we're gonna have to take care of that. Give it away to somebody once it really starts cock-a-doodle-doing. Oh man. Let's go check this little fella out. Who's doing it? I think I got 3 roosters there. And back there. What do you think? Think the girls are liking their shade? Yeah. You guys like a little bit of shade on the hot day? Okay.